Why are some streamers skyrocketing while others stay stuck below 3 viewers? The difference isn't talent, it's strategy. Most streamers waste hours grinding on live streams without a plan to actually grow their audience. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 pieces of advice that you needed to know yesterday to help you build an audience and grow your streaming career. Number 1. Create a brand, not a streaming profile. Your brand is much more than just a logo or a name. It's the first impression that you make on a potential viewer. Think about it. In a sea of channels, a unique and memorable brand might be your only way of standing out. Invest time in creating a cohesive visual identity, everything from your channel's name, graphics, and your social media's aesthetics. When someone sees your channel, they should immediately get a sense of who you are and why they should check out your streams. A sharp brand builds trust and makes people curious enough to click that follow button and wait for your next stream. Number 2. Spread your content across multiple platforms. Relying solely on live streaming to build an audience can be very limiting, especially when there is no discoverability built into any of these streaming platforms. For example, when you stream on Twitch, Kick, or any other streaming platform, it is nearly impossible to reach new people directly on the platform. That is because these platforms are built on a rich get richer type of system, which essentially means that once you get viewers, the platform will reward you by recommending your stream to new viewers, leaving those that already have viewers getting more viewers, while those that are struggling to get viewers keep struggling to get viewers. However, you can take this into your own hands by creating content tailored for platforms like X, YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. For example, anyone can repurpose highlights from your streams into short, engaging clips. Each platform has its own algorithm and audience, and by spreading out your content, you'll be tapping into a new audience on all of these different social media platforms and then funneling them back into your live streams. The only problem with this is that editing these clips takes hours or even days, or at least it used to take me hours before I found this innovative AI tool. If you've never heard of Nexus Clips before, this will be your secret weapon for content diversification. With just one upload of your full-length video, Nexus identifies your best moments, formats them for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, etc., and adds captions all automatically. This means that you're constantly reaching new audiences by making the most out of your content without spending hours editing. The main reason why I would use Nexus over any of these other platforms is they have the best editing software behind the clips. You can go into the same software that the AI uses and make sure that every element of your clip is perfect. Not only can you change the caption in case the AI misinterprets what you're saying, but also if the AI doesn't get the best camera angle, you can change it to show exactly what looks best in the clip. For example, in this clip, I wanted to show both of these streamers' faces and the tweet that they are reading. You can see here that Nexus makes it very simple to choose a different style of how you want your clip to look. I went with this triple style so that I can get both faces and the tweet in the clip. As you can see, I didn't like having one face in the middle, I wanted the tweet to be in the middle. Since Nexus is super easy to use, I was easily able to swap the squares out and get the clip to look exactly how I wanted. Number 3. Build a community that lives beyond your live streams. Your audience shouldn't disappear when your stream ends. Establishing a community off stream is critical because these community members are easier to funnel into your stream, which means that you'll be able to use your community as leverage to reach even more people directly on the platform. Consider setting up a Discord server or a dedicated social media group where fans can communicate, connect with each other, share ideas, and stay engaged, excited about your next stream. Keeping your community engaged and growing requires consistent content. Nexus Clips will help you ensure that you always have something to share, whether it's a hilarious clip, an intense gameplay moment, or a quick reaction video. Posting these clips not only in your Discord, but on your social media channels will not only keep your audience active, but help expose your content to new people. Nexus makes it that much easier to grow your community by saving you so much time that you could use to make the best content possible, to reach the most amount of people possible, to funnel all these people into your streams. For example, editing and making a clip from streams used to take me up to 12 hours per clip, and that's with my editing experience. Now with Nexus, I could stream for 11 hours, take 1 hour to use Nexus to create over 20 clips in the same time that it would take me to just create one clip. Automatic captions alone will save you a few hours depending on the length of your clips. Number 4. Use analytics to determine what is working. While intuition is important, numbers never lie. Dive into all of your analytics to understand what is really bringing in new viewers. Not only should you be studying your stream's analytics, but the analytics of every post that you make on social media will tell you exactly what type of content does best and what isn't worth making. Nexus Clips doesn't just save you time with editing, it shows you what is working. By pulling out your most engaging highlights, it helps you see which moments have the best chances to resonate with your audience. Use these clips as a guide to fine-tune your streams and marketing strategies. Nexus gives you a shortcut to understanding your audience while keeping your content flowing, making sure that you're not overworked but still making the most out of your content creation journey. Number 5. Collaborate and network to expand your reach. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Working with other streamers or creators can expose your content to new audiences and give a fresh perspective to your content. Whether it's co-hosting a stream, participating in community events, or even just exchanging tips on social media, building relationships with other content creators will create a network effect. Collaboration not only brings in new viewers, but also enriches your content. With Nexus Clips, you can create professional, engaging highlights of your collaborations that are ready to post in minutes. Also, if you're making clips of your content, you could use that as leverage to be able to collab with streamers that are more established than you. This is a win-win because they get the value of you making clips out of the stream, while you get exposure and potentially a raid after their stream ends. I want to really stress that Nexus Clips is more than just a tool, it's your competitive edge in the streaming world. Nexus turns hours of manual editing into minutes, freeing up your time for what matters most: streaming, engaging, and strategizing. Every clip is edited, formatted, and captioned for maximum engagement, ensuring that your content stands out on every platform. By automating content creation, Nexus helps you stay consistent, reach new audiences, and keep your community engaged, even when you're not live. Whether it's creating 5 clips or 50, Nexus will let you scale your marketing efforts without you experiencing burnout. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and thank you to Nexus for helping multiple streamers get exposure for their streams that they wouldn't typically get. If you would like me to check out your streams and tell you exactly what you're doing wrong and how to fix it, join my Patreon if I have any openings remaining. In case you haven't seen my last video, I announced a challenge that if that video gets 2,500 likes, I will make a video where I make a secret Twitch channel to prove that it's not luck. Also, when I reach 100,000 subscribers, I will make a Draw of My Life video telling my full life story, how I started my marketing business, started streaming, escaped my rough upbringing, etc. On my channel, I have a bunch of streaming advice, and I talk a lot about algorithms, and YouTube's algorithm thinks that this video here, somewhere on the screen, is most important for you in your streaming journey right now.